Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. I am Muniba from class 6. My topic for today's exhibition is working model of bar graph. A bar graph is a way to show different data by using rectangular bars. It can be vertical or horizontal. For example, we can make a bar graph to represent how many students like apples, bananas or mangoes in our class. In our model, we have used colored sticks and cardboard bars to represent to represent the data. Now, my friend Aisha will explain you how the bar graph works and why it's important.
A bar graph helps us to see and compare data quickly. Each bar shows the number of quantity, and by looking at the height of the bar, we can easily tell which value is the biggest or smallest. For example, in our model, the biggest bar shows the fruit that most student likes and the shortest bar shows the least liked fruits. Bar graphs are used in schools, business reports, surveys, and even sports results. They make information clear and easy to understand. In our working model, we have used different color for each bar to make it attractive and easy to read. To conclude, bar graph helps us represent data visually, compare values, and understand information better. Thank you.